Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah defending the 2 crore rupees contractor reservation. He's denying the Muslim appeasement charge. Remember, this had become a huge controversy. The Congress party had been trying to claim that this is for all minorities, for the underprivileged groups. The BJP had been maintaining that this is specifically for the Muslim contractors in Karnataka who are now going to get contracts worth about 2 crore rupees, even in a sector or at a time, at a juncture where such reservations are not allowed. Siddaramaiah says, I quote him here first, who gave reservation for the contractors? We did. Earlier, the limit was 50 lakh rupees. It has been increased to 1 crore. We've even raised it to 2 crore rupees. Even Muslims will benefit from this reservation. But some people are spreading propaganda, claiming Siddaramaiah is doing just to appease Muslims. That's not true. This is not about appeasement, he says. Let's listen in to what Siddaramaiah is saying. And will this clarification really cut a cord for the opposition?
ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಸಲಾತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾರು? ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಸಲಾತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟವರು ಯಾರು? 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 1 ಕೋಟಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ 2 ಕೋಟಿ. ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ 2 ಕೋಟಿ 2B. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನರನ್ನ ಓಲೈಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಓಲೈಸಲಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ರೀತಿಯ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ ರೀತಿಯ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಮಾನ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಪಸಂಖ್ಯಾತರು ಸೇರಿ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 1, ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 2A, ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ 2B ಮತ್ತೆ ದಲಿತ ವರ್ಗದವರು, ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ವರ್ಗದವರಿಗೆ 2 ಕೋಟಿವರೆಗೆ ಮೀಸಲಾತಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ. ಇಡೀ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Generic comment that he was referring to. Remember yesterday when Prime Minister Modi was in Hisar and addressing while inaugurating some development projects, he made a very specific remark to the Karnataka Congress, to the Karnataka government, and listen in to what he has said about the caste survey and Muslim appeasement.
अभी आपने भी समाचारों में सुना होगा, कर्नाटका की कांग्रेस सरकार ने टेंडर में भी अब SC, ST, OBC के अधिकार छीन करके धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण दे दिया, जबकि संविधान में बाबा साहब आंबेडकर ने साफ साफ शब्दों में चर्चा में कहा था कि संविधान में कतई धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण की व्यवस्था नहीं की जाएगी. और हमारे संविधान ने धर्म के आधार पर आरक्षण के लिए प्रतिबंध लगाया हुआ है. साथियों, कांग्रेस की तुष्टीकरण की इस नीति का बहुत बड़ा नुकसान मुस्लिम समाज को भी हुआ है. कांग्रेस ने सिर्फ कुछ कट्टरपंथियों को ही खुश किया है, बाकी समाज बेहाल रहा, अशिक्षित रहा, गरीब रहा.
Let's get an update on this. Joining me from Bengaluru, India Today's editor Nagarjun Dwarkanath. Nagarjun, good morning. Tell me more about this. Siddaramaiah continues to put a defense, a clarification to it, but he also seems to accept that Muslims are going to benefit from this.
Well, that is true. Karnataka is a peculiar state where Muslims come under OBC list. They're not as separate community or separate category. In the state OBC list, Muslims are under 2B reservation, and hence when even the Dalits are under 1A and 1B, and other minor communities like Buddhists and Jains are also a part of OBC in Karnataka. when the government realized that the OBC's reservation will also be increased. Hence, the reservation proposal was from 4% to 2%. That was a proposal. But in the contract reservation, the government had given it to only SC/STs. Now they have given it to OBC category 2B, which is Muslims. But BJP is attacking that. In what basis does a religion get or a community get reservation based on religion? But the government's defense is that this religion comes under OBC category and hence we have given it. That's what the Chief Minister yesterday defended himself, saying that we need to tell people that we were the ones who stood behind Dalits and now we are standing behind OBCs.
Interesting. Nagarjun, stay on with me. I need you on more news coming in from your state.